Splash is a photographic series that has been evolving since 2013 when I first developed this technique and realized that these images are my response to climate change. A visual immersion beyond our senses, this series celebrates the universe with sights that continually splash around us. Sights that cascade, intertwine, multiply, even vibrate within our environment. Sights we cannot see, encompass, nor comprehend with the naked eye. Scattered at speeds beyond our imagination, moving exponentially into other dimensions. Perhaps into space. These sights, these phenomena, are produced ironically by slowing down the shutter speed, the exposure time of the eye of the camera. A metaphor and a warning that we must slow down, take stock, and step back. This may be the only way to save our environment, our earth, and ourselves from extinguishing. Global warming, wildfires, melting glaciers, hurricanes. Tornadoes and tsunamis are also detected, reflected, and contained within Splash. These are warnings that we must savor and preserve what we take for granted. Warnings that these sights, these phenomena, may become mere memories, simply souvenirs. Warnings that can no longer be denied. As we move through our lives here on planet Earth, each moment is precious.